Hi everyone, this is Interman and I want to show you the new update for the Catastrophe. So let's begin. I click Catastrophe to open. This is the 105. So I make a search. We speak now the updates for the materials. So here the search, I click Catastrophe. Like before in the first version we make two inside and outside materials. But now if I click and make again, as you can see he's not make again a new material. So this is good because now you don't have a lot materials here. So I make another, and another thing now you can do, you can change this. For example, I want a yellow inside and outside green, and now Catastrophe use these materials as before when it's break. For example, I make a torus, I use 50 pieces and I break, and now you can see my torus is not blue red like in first version, is green yellow. If you want to go like in first version, it's very easy. Just you go in that material and I check these options. So if I delete this, I want to show you, I make a search and I check this. Now you can see I make a new two materials and I have blue and red outside. So I think it's good to use like a one material, so I use as before. Check this. The next I want to show you is the spline. Now with the spline you can make very nice things. So I make a cube and I make a 10 for example, or 20, and let's see here, 100 I think is good, and 300 like this. Now I make a spline. Okay, I use the linear spline, so I draw here my spline. I need to change here the view to see better. Okay, so for example I'm going to go like this and like this, and then go here and here, and after go here I need a little smooth here, so I need to, okay, like this. Okay, this is my spline, and now with the new version I can make here the spline break. Very cool results. So let's show you this. We select the spline, link by, we click this button to link them, and we select, for example, let's try 50 pieces. As first version Catastrophe, we take these results, and now you can see here the fragment variation is enabled. If I use here 10%, you can see I have a change here. To see better, I make a mix 50. Now you can see he start to make a rod here. Let's try 5 here, and here to see better I put 300. Okay, now you can see here's my rod. I have very small pieces, and here I have a big and nice. And something I'm going to show you now is I take this spline, I move a little up to see, I use in point mode, I select all the points, I go to the function sub device, I make 2 to have a more device. Also I go to create outlines to have a outline spline like this. We need to place the spline in correct position, so to is inside here, I forgot to tell this, so now it's okay, and now we can make this cool effects. Okay, now I think it's good. So you can see here, this is my spline and I have a rod. Now we can make something cool. I delete this without cylinder. I want to keep all the pieces, so I make a new fracture. I put this here, and I use again delete without cylinder to have the fracture in all the pieces. Now I apply a tag dynamic, and now I go to monograph and I use plane like this. Also in my plane in fall off I use search, and the final, I want this plane to follow this plane so I have nice results. I use a tag align to spline and I drag my spline here. Now I use position here, a key. When I go to 19 I use position 100 and again a key. Okay, we need to fix something here. First is the ground is very high, so let's see. Okay, here is good. Also we need to make this on collision, so I go here also, sorry, and velocity. So what you can see here is working nice. And the last is we can make here is the go to plane in an effect with the parameters. We put two like this, and the final is here we need to put apply all childrens and also all. So now you can see when he's move this, he's make a crash like FX road. If I click Raiden, we need here I need some settings. Bouncy for example 0, friction 100, and here we use 5. Let's see again this. Okay, now it's good. Okay, and we have it. So if I hit, you can see here he's make error crashes. So that is the new updates. So thank you for watching.